people, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about a couple of stories, mainly about the incident where a woman by the name of Debbie Ninja, that's her street name, right, her real name is Debbie Eaton, right, or 1 Foot Debbie. She's lost her life. We'll talk about that and a couple of incidents. But before I go into that, tomorrow is the last day of the year. So you know, I'm going to have to end the year with a bang. So tomorrow morning, make sure to tune in. I have a very, very special video. But there is a particular set of people that really need to tune in, because them are going to want to see this. Them are going to want to see this. Who am I talking about? The JCF, the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Call all your police friend them. Call all the commissioner too. They're going to want to see what's coming tomorrow. You know, normally on Sunday we say, get the bush tea and the herb tea and the Milo and them thing. Well, New Year's Eve 2020, before the year done, even though it's during the week, even though it's going to be a Thursday, grab your bush tea and don't try and message me, trying to be clever, trying to pick my brain to see what it's going to be about. Just wait until the video drop. The video is going to be accompanied with another video that, you know, can't show on YouTube because it's kind of grimy. I'm going to post that video for the Patreon squad from early, probably not the night, because, you know, I expect the site to get a huge amount of traffic when this video drop. Right. But trust me, when you want to tune in, I will show you how, even when you think something is very complex, right, and you scratch your brain and you look and you search and you search, sometimes the answer is right before your eyes, JCF. When I go want to tune in, you're going to want to tune in. No, let's talk about Debbie Ninja. So Debbie Ninja, right, anybody who know downtown Kingston probably know about Debbie Ninja, right? See, back in the day, Debbie Ninja was known as a real in the streets girl, right? That is why you're probably hearing some murmurs say people don't feel sorry for her, right? That's actually, depending upon where you go, you check certain comment section, people who know her and might know certain things about her will tell them don't feel sorry for her, because, you know, back in the day, Debbie Ninja is what you'd consider an old school roughneck type of girl, right? Her name called and all kind of things. But she have people who love her, because, you know, the girl is full of vibes, and just as how she have a whole heap of people who would say, you know, I can't catch her, she get her, she forget. You have no people who will say, why she full of vibes and them sorry what happened to her. Right. Man walk down pan her, portion her headshot. Pure headshot. Now, Debbie Ninja, as I said before, have only 1 foot. She lost that foot from a gunshot wound. Right. Right. Man shot her on her foot. The whole foot have to get take off. But the 1 foot never really stopped her down, to be honest. She was still quite active. Right. She was still a liver. You know, she was still very confident and still dressed up hot, and, you know, didn't really slow her down, to be honest. Right. But because of her past, Debbie Ninja have a whole heap of people who probably have her up. So the motive is kind of causing enough people to scratch them head, because even up until where she lose her life, right, she a man in an argument, big argument, let me say, a roughneck girl, cuss her, she a cuss back. If you bother her up, she body up back, right. And Debbie Ninja, them type of woman, they will, whether you're a man or not, right, she'll diss you, same way. People say, the man ever the same youth come back for her after the big argument, but them girls are man in argument all the time, right? Man and people in an argument all the time. It's one of the nature, you know. When I go downtown, at any given time, maybe people are cussing and argue. So people are put two and two together and say, well, because of the big argument, man, and you know, man are in the streets, man, to probably him come back. But somebody like Debbie Ninja, right, who in the streets long time, have a lot of enemies. Who knows? Because people who know I will tell you, say, Debbie Ninja don't even walk on the front go take taxi. She call car come straight to her doorstep. She jump down the car and go where she go. She don't even go up on the front. Right? Because she's always watching her head back. She don't even really party like that either. And she kinda lower the party thing. And REMA she come from, by the way. And the next thing is, based on who she is, even though as I say some people will tell you that back in the day, whole heap of foolishness she might go on, kerosene thing. She still have no funds. So don't be surprised if retaliation go on for this. Depending on who do it, cause if for example if the man them who do it a part of one major gang, then I really expect nothing much to come out of it, right? Because unless man have a risk a whole war, and I don't really see man a risk war over Debbie Ninja, right? Even though you never know, but it's very unlikely. But you need to understand, say, when these kind of shootings go on in downtown Kingston, broad daylight, everybody know what happen. Everybody see what happen. People know who do it. Right? People know who do it by name, address, everything. Because no strange man. If you carry out certain shootings in a certain part of downtown Kingston, you can't just be any and everybody. Right? Now your body want be from certain part of Jamaica, you can't just left and go downtown and go shoot nobody. That's not how it works. But whatever the case, it just go for show you say, even when things are downtown are changing, you know, you don't really hear much. Don't worry, things are going. Things are going at town, things are going at West Kingston, same way. Same way. Don't find time you just don't make the news. Because which part them end up kill Debbie Ninja? And them know which part to find her too, because, you know, right in the market side this is a bathroom. And then it look like she have a cleaning roast around there. Sometimes she do a look of hustling right in front of the market. So anybody who want her know exactly which part to go look for her. Right? They know exactly which part to look. So it wasn't even that hard. Right? Even though, as I say, she's known for moving. When she leave her yard and, you know, she left REMA and thing there, going and coming, she don't really, you can't really catch her straight so easy, but all that don't mean much if everybody knows which way you go work. Everybody knows which way they are daytime. Right? Everybody knows which way they do a little hustling. Man wanna find you, easy for them to find you. Right? And obviously, because the fact that she only have 1 foot, she stand out in the crowd, so them can have people that are watching and studying. Just like that, it don't take much. It don't take much. Anyway, soon you hear exactly what going on with Debbie Ninja case. Right? But I say because the woman, a big woman in her 40s, but back in the day because her name get called upon some most thing you don't even know. Right? And because it's a roughneck girl, she go toe to toe with any man. So I can any card play. Now, let me just touch on a little update. Remember the woman them, Pomona, 2 sisters them? Remember them? Their name were Renee Martel, Shanna K. Hunter. Remember when they killed Pomona Command? Man riding on bike. Well, them charged a second man. Because remember when them charged the first one, I was saying, well, no one man do that. It wasn't a one man. People they see whole heap of bike. People see bag of man coming on bike, so it couldn't be no one man responsible for all of that. Right? And I look at 187, and this on a show. Right? Because the woman them start running up and down and running a yard and all kind of things. So I look at one man that skillful. Right? So obviously it was multiple man. And them one and man already. I know them get a second one. Right? So police them a work on the case. Them a work on the case. Right? That's good. See, I like these cases when it appear like say to go cool. You know what I mean? It's like people that say, alright, well 2-3 months pass, nothing I go and look like a cold case and out of nowhere here's a charges drop. See, what that do is it tell the people of Jamaica that the investigators them at work. And the only way JCF can rebuild its reputation with the Jamaican people is to not just increase some of the the amount of criminals who are arrested and charged, because at the moment Jamaica have a low, I don't even know what the correct legal term is, but the percentage of people who get arrested and charged and convicted for murders is very low in Jamaica, like very, very low. The majority of gunmen get away. Majority. If they can increase that figure, right, because the police investigate and hand over the case to the justice system, and the justice system can increase the conviction rate, right, and people who are committing these murders, and then JCF can flush out certain elements, certain criminal elements out of the force, right, then you will finally start to see Jamaica have a police force that the people can be proud of and the people can trust. Trust is a big word. Trust is a big word. I can tell you one of the biggest issues Jamaicans have when it comes down to JCF is trust. Enough time people say them want to tell police things, but them afraid it get back to the years at 87 and 90 octanes. So make us see how this play out. Don't forget the Janice case though. Right. Janice from Thompson Pen. But I forget that case then. Don't forget many others. But definitely don't forget that case then. Anyway, people, tune in tomorrow morning. I got NDA with a bang. Patreon squad, big up on yourself as always. PIA, you don't know, more life. Especially special ops, big up on yourself. Vulture squad, what can I say? Stay circling.